Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best gag gifts is probably one of the most challenging yet rewarding categories to shop for, especially when you're trying to find something that's genuinely funny without being offensive, ensuring your chosen item will elicit a hearty laugh and a memorable moment for the recipient, making it a standout present that perfectly captures the spirit of lighthearted fun and playful teasing. Number 5. Miracu Funny Cooking Aprons. Introducing the Miracu Funny Cooking Apron, the perfect blend of humor and functionality for any kitchen enthusiast. Get ready to cook up a storm without the mess. This apron is designed to keep you clean and stylish, no matter what you're cooking. Its full coverage ensures your clothes stay spotless, even during your most adventurous culinary experiments. Never be caught without your essentials again. With 3 deep pockets, you can easily store everything you need, from spatulas to seasonings, keeping your hands free and your cooking efficient. Crafted from durable, thick cotton, this apron is made to withstand countless cooking sessions. It's also easy to clean, ensuring it's always ready for your next culinary creation. Designed for everyone, this one-size-fits-all apron features adjustable straps for a comfortable and secure fit. It's the perfect gift for any man or woman who loves to cook or grill. Looking for a unique and hilarious gift? This funny apron is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Surprise your dad, husband, or any cooking enthusiast with a gift they'll truly appreciate. What we like? This apron offers full coverage to keep you clean while cooking or grilling. It features 3 deep pockets for convenient storage of utensils. If you're looking for a durable and functional apron that can handle any kitchen mess, this is the one for you. What people say? This is a great gag gift, it's funny and well made. The design is clever and the product is surprisingly functional for a gag gift. It's a perfect size for a desk or shelf, and the recipient loved the humor. Number 4. The Butt Tape Dispenser, Funny Desk Accessory. Tired of boring office supplies? This unique dispenser adds a touch of humor and character to any workspace. It's designed to be a fun conversation starter. More than just a dispenser, it's a complete package of novelty. It makes for a memorable gift, perfect for birthdays or as a funny office decoration. Looking for a cool gadget or a fun gift for adults? This accessory is perfect for anyone, whether they're teenage boys, girls, men, or women. This isn't just a gag gift, it's also practical. It serves as a great conversation starter and even includes storage for small items like paper clips. Don't miss out on the ultimate funny desk accessory. It's an unusual and inappropriate gift for men who seem to have everything. This dispenser is the ideal choice for a funny coworker gift or a novelty item for your desk. It's guaranteed to bring laughs and lighten the mood. What we like? This desk accessory is designed to be a hilarious and attention-grabbing addition to any workspace. It comes with essential office supplies like tape and paper clips. If you want a truly unique and funny gift that will get people talking, this is a fantastic choice for coworkers or bosses. What people say? This is a great gag gift, it's hilarious and well made. The design is funny and the quality is surprisingly good for the price. It arrived quickly and was exactly as described, perfect for a laugh. Number 3. Smilelife Magnetic Holding Hands Socks. Introducing a fun and unique pair of socks designed for connection. These socks feature a special magnetic design, allowing you to hold hands even when wearing them. Looking for a quirky gift? These are ideal for couples, friends, or anyone who enjoys a touch of humor and togetherness. They bring a playful element to any relationship. Surprise someone special with a gift that's both funny and thoughtful. It's a great way to show you care and share a laugh, perfect for birthdays or just because. Not only are they fun, but these socks are also designed for comfort and style. Enjoy cozy feet while showcasing your unique bond. With their innovative magnetic feature, you can keep that connection going. It's a charming way to stay close, even when you're apart. These socks are a hit with teens and adults alike. They add a playful twist to everyday wear and make for memorable moments. What we like? These socks feature a fun magnetic design where the hands hold together. They come in matching pairs for couples or friends. If you're looking for a quirky and comfortable gift that symbolizes connection, these are perfect for anyone who enjoys a touch of whimsy. What people say? This is a great gag gift that is sure to get a laugh. The product is well made and looks just like the picture. It's a fun and unique gift that is perfect for any occasion. Number 2. Dill Stress Relief Putty. When life gets overwhelming and you're in a pickle, reach for this unique putty. It's designed to help you relieve tension and stress. Experience therapeutic bliss with this squishable putty. It has a light, delicious pickle scent, making it a one-of-a-kind stress relief toy. Feeling stressed to the max? Instead of eating your feelings, try a relaxing session with this putty. Squish your anxiety away with this green, dill-scented stress putty. Looking for a unique stocking stuffer? This is the perfect gift for adults and women. It's weird, dilly, and unexpected, sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. Designed to soothe away stress, simply squeeze and knead it in your hands. You'll feel so much better after releasing tension with this fun toy. What we like? This stress relief putty has a unique dill pickle scent and texture. It's designed to help you squeeze away tension and anxiety. If you're looking for a weirdly satisfying and hilarious way to de-stress, this is an excellent gag gift for anyone who appreciates a good pickle pun. What people say? This is a great gag gift that is sure to get a laugh. The quality is surprisingly good for the price. It's a unique and memorable gift that people will talk about. Number 1. DINGUS Yodeling Pickle. Introducing the DINGUS Yodeling Pickle, a hilarious singing gag gift designed to bring laughter to anyone. It's the perfect way to share some delightfulness. With just a simple push of a button, this toy delivers pure, unadulterated joy. Just press it and let the hilarity begin. Bring this pickle to any gathering and watch it turn any event into a full-blown party. It's your instant source of fun. This toy is your go-to for instant amusement, whether you're out and about or at the office. It's pocket-sized and portable for fun anywhere. Looking for the best singing gag gift for friends, family, or coworkers? This is it. It's guaranteed to make anyone laugh. This pickle toy doesn't just sing, it brings smiles and laughter to everyone around. It's the perfect way to lighten the mood. What we like? This pickle toy sings a yodeling song with the push of a button. It's designed to bring instant laughter and amusement. If you need a portable and hilarious gag gift that's guaranteed to make anyone laugh, this singing pickle is the perfect choice for parties or white elephant exchanges. What people say? This is a great gag gift that is sure to get a laugh. The quality is surprisingly good for the price. It's a unique and funny gift that will be remembered. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.